battle getting up here. And it's too cloudy to see the sunrise. I always stay there for like a good 30 minutes, but it's just a little pink haze. And now we are walking among the many locks of love. You're supposed to come here with your significant other and write a little note or your names and then a locket somewhere. When you break up, it's supposed to be cathartic to come and unlock your... Why do you have to? Do you have to? I think it's more of a cathartic experience. New year. New us. Healthy. I actually think I freaking burned like 1,000 calories.
I did like major stairmasters.
I thought I was gonna die when I was running up that hill.
Yeah, me too. And then she was yelling at us.
I was getting like asthmatic.
I will get there when I get there.
These are like awkwardly wide steps. They're all different sizes. It's so cushiony. We ended up at Namdaemun 시장. Namdaemun hot dog is open. Woo! You get 3 options: vegetable, sweet seed, or the red bean. What are you guys gonna get? Yache? 2,500 won.
Smells so good. So crispy.
My future husband. Hey! Stop!
There's no way in hell.
I wish. My sister is making me move myself so she could take a picture of her coffee and my husband. What is this shenanigans happening here? This tastes like your Jomoka coffee. It's really good. What did I get? Oh, I got the condensed milk latte. Tastes this.
It's probably too sweet for me.
No, it tastes like the Jomoka ice cream. Right? Doesn't it taste like the ice cream? Do the other ones only have it on the back too? Namdaemun is open on New Year's Day, guys. Not everything, but most of it. But it's not very crowded, luckily. I don't know. I just wanted it. For yourself? You're gonna wear it? Looks like a doggy poop bag. We found some hanboks. I wonder if it is though. 한복이요.
애기 몇 살인데요?
2살.
들어오세요. 안에.
No, she's not.
She's 2. I said 2살.
Yeah.
분홍색.
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 이게 가장 인기 있어요. 예. 사이즈는 이거 해야 돼. 사이즈는. 예.
예쁘네요.
얼마예요?
이거요. 오늘 새해 첫날이니까 그냥 보통 인사동에서 뭐 7, 8만 원 넘는데 5만 원 그냥 싸게 줄게요. 요건 메이드 인 코리아 거예요. 좋아요. 예. 요게 요즘에 가장 인기 있어요.
The yellow might look nice.
이거는
The yellow is nice too because it has the white sleeves. I feel like this one's better. 똑같아요?
똑같아요 가격은요.
Let's get this
요거요?
one, right?
예. 알겠습니다. 예.
We have secured the goods. I think if it was all yellow, it would have looked weird, but because the sleeves are white, it looked nice. It's like, yeah. Honestly, they just say that, obviously.
It's okay, even for 5만 원.
It was only 10,000 more.
Working on start now.
Yeah, he is. Hard work on the freaking holiday. The little pouchies.
Yeah.
These are pretty gift
I used
baggies.
to buy these as
How much are these usually?
They're normally like 1,000. The small ones 1,000. These were a little more. Like
This is
3,000.
pretty nice for the gift baggie for Cheonggyecheon. Bought some koguma. Koguma. It's nice and toasty. For 4 is only 5,000. Because in 5 hours when it's 12 a.m. in America, we will not be here.
I
So-
thought we were just gonna eat it.
Oh no, we were trying to get our boyfriend grapes in, but
No, I just wanted to try
missed it. Oh,
It's
oh,
the
then yeah,
giant one.
then you should have just bought it.
You
You wanna go back?
It was only 5,000.
We could go back. It's not that far. You know, I'm not really a morning person, but when you wake up in the morning and you achieve so much before it's even noon, don't you feel really accomplished?
Right.
It smells so good. Mmm. She's probably gonna buy 2 kimchis, right? Or is she gonna buy 3, 1 for each? They're pretty tiny.
Oh, really? Okay.
They're like
Maybe she'll buy 3.
smaller than your fist. It's like half your fist.
Do you think there's a bigger one?
No.
She has sense to bring chocolate, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna test.
Do we
this
trust Rachel? I think she's gonna buy 2, and I think she'll bring out the chocolate.
out. Coconut.
Rachel, how many did you buy?
1.
Oh, it's actually pretty big.
I got the one that's most filled.
Did you get chocolate? Did you? Did you get chocolate?
No way we're gonna eat.
How are we gonna eat that?
Ask for 2, at least 2 chocolate.
Okay, I was wrong. She only bought 1 and she didn't get chocolate.
We have 4. That came too good.
Wait, we asked for chocolate and she's like no, and she kept walking like we're gonna eat it with our freaking hands or something. Koguma.
My goodness! Even if I use choice, you can just use mine.
The kimchi is not ikgoso, but the koguma is good. Arrived in Hongdae. Final day of shopping. Do they have the size for the shoe I want? These. I want these. Dang it, my feet are too freaking small. 7.5 is the smallest size they have. No luck, no New Balance 530s for me. I checked Japan and Korea. None of them have my size. Sigh. Some places are closed, but most places are open. Christmas, New Year's, the Koreans never rest. Gonna try to find, or we found padak. It's my favorite. Trying it out. I like the boneless padak. That's what I want. It looks pretty fresh. Moment of truth, it seems really crispy. Much better than last year. Currently at an Lotte Mart. Got snacky snacks because I usually buy snacks, Korean snacks, for souvenirs, and then I make little goodie bags. These are gonna be for my coaches, and I always bring them like a little gift when I go on trips. So I'm gonna bring them back a couple snacks, little goodie bag of snacks. I already got a couple in Japan, and then these are the ones I'm gonna take from Korea. To the Gwanghwamun Christmas market. It's definitely not as busy now. You think this look like Nala?
Picture of her in Christmas that looks like this.
Yeah, but that's only because the little doll needs a haircut, just like Nala did that day. Which one looks better? Oh, this one? Nifty gifties. It's like a bib for a dog. Last Supper. Oh, you got meal food.
Yeah, it's like they always give me something like that.
Oh, it's so hot. There's the whale in the river. You probably could. Oh my god, actually, I backed up here. Guys, this is nothing down here. I wasn't looking, I was just backing up. I could have died on my last night here. It's huge. That doesn't look like a junior scoop.
I mean, it cannot be good.
Oreo
You should have made it out of this, youngster.
I didn't see it.
That would have been good as a smoothie, huh?
Yeah, this one's really good.
I'm gonna eat that tomorrow.
And then this is my other favorite, which is the chocolate forest. It's like matcha and chocolate.
You think I want it?